mga kasisi kambal!
Hi, I'm Sissy Christine, but you can call me Cutie Teen.
Hi, I'm Sisi Erica, but you can call me Pretty Eka. So, what's new today, Sisi kambal?
So, we finally find the
Viral
Dubai chocolate.
Dubai chocolate. This one is Dubai Pistachio Kataifi Bar.
And this one is Mediterranean hazelnut kataifi bar. And this one is
The Northern.
lights bar. This one is milk.
Let's try.
Let's try.
Oh, look! Oh, wow!
Wow.
Look at inside. It looks yummy. Look, 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 look.
Yes, let's try.
Let's try. Oh, ang crunchy.
It's crunchy.
Mhm.
And I don't know what that taste that is.
Mm-hmm. Ang sarap niya.
Really?
Ang crunchy, oo.
For me,
Hmm.
it's crunchy, but I don't like the inside. You like
Ako
the
naman
inside?
gusto ko yung inside kasi ang crunchy niya.
Oh yeah. Let's try this. Mediterranean. Oh, there's still, the
Parang
thing
nagme-melt siya, no?
inside because it's chocolate. That's why it's melting.
Same siya ng inside.
Yeah.
Ang crispy niya. Gusto ko yung inside talaga.
Mm.
Tsaka chocolate siya talaga, ng dark.
Dark, yeah.
Pero matamis siya. Ano ba, chocolate niya, di ba?
Yeah.
Lasang-lasa mo yung dark chocolate. Yung crispy.
Yeah.
First time eh.
Let's try this Northern Light.
Ay.
It's only like a milk chocolate.
Oo, sino mo?
Ang cute. Ang galing nila.
Galing nila, no? Try natin. Kakaiba.
It's good. I like this.
Mm.
It's only like a milk chocolate.
Ano ng kanyang decor,
Design.
design. Ang kulay, ang ganda.
Oh!
How
So,
much this one?
I think that one is 15 each. Expensive.
15 each?
Yeah, expensive.
Natin to.
Balik natin. Pang display lang. Mahal.
Bakit di natin to kinain talaga? Sarap. Grabe, ang sarap nito.
Sarap
Ito
yan.
masarap.
I like this. Pampahyper.
Gusto mo na-
So,
Ako gusto ko yung inside kasi para siyang nakaka-surprise.
me, I only like the outside. I don't like the inside.
Ako lahat. Gusto
Yeah,
ko siya.
I don't. It's too sweet.
Tsaka so crunchy yung inside. Promise. For me.
Yes.
So, alam niyo na, different ng taste kami, ha?
Yes.
So,
So,
ano pang ginagawa nyo? Bili na kayo.
bye na.
$15 each.
So, till next time, mga kasisi. Bye!